Udviklingen is a research and development center in 3D printing technology. Today we develop software and electronics that we sell to 3D printer manufacturer, and then they integrate that in their 3D printer. The goal of this project was to be able to demonstrate to a 3D printer manufacturer that they could go towards other markets like food printing. Food 3D printing is very interesting for example, for hospital patient that needs customized food with medication or proteins inside. It can also be interesting for a baker that wants to make a customized cake or chocolate printing. Food printing comes with its own set of challenges, like the extrusion and the synchronization, especially of the extrusion with the motion. So we focused a lot in terms of creating algorithms that could regulate and synchronize the motion together with the extrusion. So in this project we achieved a very nice extrusion, which is a very, very good demonstration to manufacturer to see how their printer could be in terms of a food printer. They can see how they can enter the market now with this demo.